Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Chitel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Microsoft browser, which is called the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. And we're going to be seeing the process to download it. So on Google, let's search for the download, the Microsoft Edge Chromium. Okay, now the first option says download Microsoft Edge based on Chromium, and the second one says Microsoft Edge Insider. So we go for the first one. Now, when you go to the download page, this opens up for us. This is a bit of information out here. Okay, so guys, now what is the Chromium browser? The Microsoft Edge Chromium is Microsoft's new browser which they have launched, and not yet launched. It's the testing versions of it are out now for the users to install and to, check out and give feedback. So let's download. Okay, so you can see you have the beta version available for Windows, and also we have see what's coming up next. We go for more platforms and channels. Let's check out. Now here you see three channels. You see the beta channel, the developer channel, and the canary channel. And the basic difference in these three channels is that beta updates, every 6 weeks. Developer updates every week, and the canary channel updates almost every night. Yes, that is the main difference between these three channels or three versions of the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. And now we go down to see the devices the browser is compatible for. So here you have Windows 10 8.1. Also you have iOS. So this browser is going to be running on iOS devices as well. Now guys, I've heard about the Canary channel that it's a good version of the testing software. So I personally want to download the Canary channel. Or although if you're really new and you want to test the basic version of the software, you should go for beta. But yes, I am going to be checking out Canary, and let's go there. Download. Yes, so this is the license agreement, which I am going to scroll down for practically no purpose and then accept and download. Thank you. Yes, let's wait for our software to download. Now here we have the software. It should have begun. Yes, that's right there on the bottom left. The download is done, and now let's run the .exe file. Open up. There. Run. And let's wait for the installation process to start. The Microsoft Edge Insider channels. Okay, so yes, right there the installation process has started. So now guys, let's talk about a bit about the browser. And it's like Microsoft really doesn't have a strong game in terms of browsers and all. People choose Google Chrome or maybe Mozilla Firefox over any of the Microsoft browsers which were available till date. So with this browser, Microsoft is being, people are saying that this might be their comeback into the web browsers game. And people do, like even the technologists, the renowned names in this domain are expecting some good competition to the Google Chrome and the Mozilla Firefox. And even Microsoft has been claiming that yes, with this browser, they are going to step up their game. Now, what our role is to download these testing browsers, these testing versions, and look out for bugs, look out for, glitches in the software, which, we can give feedback to them, and, they could work on and develop it further. The sole purpose of, putting out the testing versions was this: asking, the customers to download it. We are the consumers, so asking us to download it and checking it out for ourselves, and giving them feedback. Out of the three channels, Canary, yes, does have a really good review sort of a thing. So yes, I've chosen Canary because of that purpose. And now, as we can see, the process is almost completing up. Let's get there. Download done. Okay, I think this is supposed to launch by itself. Okay, we have another loading going on here. Installing, yes. So guys, how many of you have used the Windows OS, in phones like Nokia Lumia or something? So if you guys have used these phones, what has your experience, what has your entire thing of operating with these phones been? And now that you know that such a browser from Microsoft is coming out, what are your expectations? Kindly tell me down in the comments below. And so guys, this is what the browser looks like once it launched up on my screen, and this is your overall look of the browser. You have a beautiful theme going on around here, and you have to sign in into your account the way I have done, or I am doing. So with this browser, now that I have it installed and working on my device, I am going to be, using it for a few days. And after using it, I will be putting out my review about this browser, what the testing version, the entire features, the operability, the ease, and everything out there. I am going to be reviewing it, and I will put out another video in which I will give out my detailed review about this browser, the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. So do tell me how you like this video, and if you whether you would be interested to use this browser from Microsoft down in the comments below. And also, are you waiting for the next video of the review video to come up? If yes, please do stay tuned to my channel, and also keep watching the other videos which I keep uploading regularly. Thanks a lot and have an amazing day.